Most people think their plant is dead, but plants don't give up that easily. They whisper for help long before they collapse. And sometimes, all they need is the right natural boost to wake up again. Today, I'm going to show you 5 natural fertilizers that bring dead plants back to life fast, safely, and without chemicals. These are simple, powerful, and already in your home. ***, every gardener has felt that sinking moment when a plant you cared for starts drooping, yellowing, or drying from the tips. It feels like failure. But the truth is, most plants don't die. They shut down. They wait. When the soil loses nutrients, the plant loses its strength. But the moment you restore what the soil is missing, the plant responds. New leaves appear. Stems firm up. Color returns. Life returns. In this video, we'll explore 5 natural fertilizers that rebuild soil life, strengthen roots, and revive weak plants quickly. These methods are safe for indoor plants, outdoor gardens, vegetables, flowers, everything. ***, and if you love learning how to grow naturally, simply, and beautifully, join our growing family here at The Garden Sage. Hit subscribe, share your garden stories, and let's keep creating spaces that nourish us and the earth. When a plant begins to droop, curl, or lose its natural shine, the first nutrient it often lacks is potassium. Potassium is the element that helps plants move water, strengthen stems, and recover from stress. And one of the richest natural sources of potassium is something almost every home throws away: onion peels. These thin, papery layers hold a surprising amount of plant-friendly minerals. To make this gentle rescue tonic, collect a handful of onion peels and soak them in warm water for 24 hours. As the water turns golden, it absorbs potassium and trace minerals that help revive weak plants. This isn't a chemical shock, it's a slow, natural recharge that supports the plant's internal processes. When you pour this tea at the base of a struggling plant, the roots begin absorbing nutrients that help them regain strength. Over the next few days, you may notice firmer stems, improved leaf color, and a subtle return of energy. It's especially helpful for tomatoes, peppers, and flowering plants that depend heavily on potassium. This simple kitchen waste becomes a powerful reminder. Sometimes the smallest things bring the biggest change. Healthy soil is alive, filled with tiny microbes that help plants absorb nutrients. When a plant looks dead, it's often because the soil biology has collapsed. Fermented rice water is one of the gentlest ways to rebuild that life. It doesn't force growth. It restores balance. Start by rinsing rice and collecting the cloudy water. Leave it loosely covered for 48 hours. During this time, natural fermentation begins. Beneficial microbes multiply, creating a mild, nutrient-rich liquid that supports root health. These microbes help break down nutrients already in the soil, making them easier for the plant to absorb. When you dilute this fermented water and pour it into the soil, you're not feeding the plant directly. You're feeding the soil community that supports the plant. This is especially effective for indoor plants, herbs, and leafy greens that respond quickly to improved soil biology. Within a week, you may notice new leaf tips forming, soil texture improving, and overall plant posture becoming stronger. Fermented rice water is gentle, safe, and ideal for plants that need a soft restart rather than a strong fertilizer. It's a reminder that revival often begins where we cannot see, deep in the soil. Every kitchen produces scraps, carrot tops, spinach stems, cucumber peels, and more. These leftovers are packed with nutrients like nitrogen, calcium, and magnesium. Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into a natural multivitamin for your plants. To make this extract, add a mix of vegetable scraps to a pot of water and simmer for 10 minutes. As the water cools, it absorbs minerals released from the vegetables. Strain the liquid and you'll have a mild, nutrient-rich fertilizer that supports overall plant health. This extract is especially helpful for houseplants, ornamentals, and seedlings. It provides a balanced boost without overwhelming the plant. The nutrients help strengthen cell walls, support new leaf growth, and improve root development. When you water your plants with this extract every 2 weeks, you're giving them a gentle, steady supply of natural minerals, Over time, you may notice deeper leaf color, improved growth patterns, and healthier soil texture. This method is sustainable, safe, and environmentally friendly. It turns everyday waste into nourishment, a perfect example of how nature recycles energy and life. Banana peels are famous for their potassium content, but they also contain natural sugars that energize soil microbes. When a plant looks tired or slow, banana peel tea can provide a quick, natural lift. To make it, cut banana peels into small pieces and soak them in water for 48 hours. As the peels soften, they release potassium, calcium, and small amounts of phosphorus. The result is a mild, sweet-smelling liquid that supports flowering and fruiting plants. When you pour this tea at the base of a weak plant, the nutrients help strengthen roots and support new growth. The natural sugars also activate beneficial microbes in the soil, improving nutrient availability. This fertilizer is especially effective for roses, flowering plants, and fruiting vegetables. It encourages healthier blooms, stronger stems, and improved resilience. But like all natural fertilizers, it works best when used in moderation. Once every 2 weeks is enough. Banana peel tea is simple, safe, and surprisingly effective. It's a gentle reminder that nature provides everything plants need, often in the most unexpected places. For centuries, gardeners have relied on well-rotted manure to restore soil health. Manure tea is a diluted, easy-to-use version of this traditional fertilizer. It provides a balanced mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and organic matter, everything a struggling plant needs to rebuild strength. To make manure tea, fill a cloth bag with well-aged cow manure and soak it in a bucket of water for 24 to 48 hours. As the water darkens, it absorbs nutrients that support long-term plant recovery. Dilute the tea until it becomes light brown. This ensures it's gentle and safe for most plants. When applied to the soil, manure tea improves root development, boosts microbial activity, and enhances soil structure. It's especially effective for outdoor plants, vegetables, and fruit trees that need deeper nourishment. Unlike quick fixes, manure tea works slowly and steadily. It doesn't force growth, it rebuilds the foundation. Over time, plants become stronger, greener, and more resilient. This traditional method reminds us that the best solutions are often the oldest ones, simple, natural, and deeply connected to the earth. ***. Every plant has a story, and sometimes that story includes struggle. Yellow leaves, weak stems, dry soil. These moments don't mean the plant has reached its end. They simply mean it needs support, patience, and the right kind of nourishment. The natural fertilizers we explored today don't work by forcing fast growth. They work by rebuilding what matters most: healthy soil, strong roots, and a balanced environment. When you give your plants these gentle boosts, you're not just feeding them, you're giving them a chance to recover at their own pace. And that's the beauty of gardening. It teaches us that life returns quietly, slowly, and honestly. A plant that looks dead can surprise you. All it needs is the right care. If you enjoy learning natural, simple, and mindful ways to grow, I'd love for you to join our community here at The Garden Sage. Subscribe, share your experiences, and let's keep growing together, one plant, one story, one small act of care at a time.